Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, oh, let's get it, let's go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, let's get it, let's go. Yeah, yeah. Oh, let's get it, oh, let's go.
Hey Grandeur gang, welcome to the Grandeur Gloss Bar. I'm the Gloss Queen, Chianti, and this is the home of luxury lips, sip, shine, and slay, and everything that makes you feel like a queen. If you're here, go ahead and subscribe by hitting the notification bell so you'll never miss a drop. Now let's get into it. Okay, so here we are making our first gloss, which is Lemon Drop. So I did go in with my TKB lip gloss base and also my mixture of oil. So here you'll just see me mixing the oils with the gloss base. You want to make sure that you thoroughly mix until the mixture becomes more of a solid consistency. Not a solid look, but a solid consistency. So here I'm just mixing, and mixing. Okay, so if anytime you see that your gloss looks like this, you want to make sure that you add more gloss base because it means that you have more oil than gloss base. The only time that will be okay is if you're doing something like a lip oil. So in my oil mixture, I have coconut oil, sweet almond oil. I have castor oil, vitamin E, and also my preservative. Here you'll see me using a yellow from TKB. And I don't really measure the colorants, but I do make sure I record the flavoring oil. So here I have lemon drop martini. And I do 2 full caps of that and I mix it in. Now, this was my first video getting back into the swing of things, but in the future you will see me going in with my oil and my mica color first and the flavoring, and then I'll get into inserting the gloss base. You want to make sure you go in with the color first and the oils, just to make sure that you have the right oil consistency as well as the right color that you will want it, because it can be a little difficult to alter the color of your lip gloss when you've added too much. So you want to make sure that you start out with that first. And here you just see me adding a little bit more flavoring as well as preservatives. So I forgot to say I did add in some pure lemon oil. So with that, that'll also help with moisturizing the lips, and it can also help with brightening dark lips. So here you'll see that the gloss is all done and we are ready to sip on some good lemon drop martinis. Again, if you are here, thank you so much for viewing. Make sure that you hit that bell to subscribe to my channel. And if you can, please leave a comment of your thoughts. Like this video. And if you can, please make sure to share it. Thank you.